Hey guys, it's me Natalie, and today I'm going to be showing you some fun DIYs to make your room look cute and very nice. As some of you may know, I just recently bought a studio, and so this place has been really lacking some decor. I've been super inspired to decorate the place and just make it feel more like me, so I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite DIYs that I use to spice up this new studio. So for the very first DIY, we're going to be making a Cork Mousepad. Now we are taking a round cork board, some fabric of your choice. So I picked this really nice yellow fabric that makes me happy. You'll also need some fabric Mod Podge, which is basically just some glue for fabric. And lastly, you'll need a sponge brush. Okay, so the first step is start with your round cork board and then apply a nice coat of Mod Podge using your sponge brush. Then you'll have to cut your fabric to fit the cork board, but leave a little bit of overhang. Apply some more Mod Podge to the other side where you have the overhang, and bam, seal it all in, and you're done. Look how cute your mouse pad is now. It is functional, it is cute, and it just spices up any desk. So you'll basically need some gold metallic contact paper and then a round punch hole or tool. And all you're going to do is punch, punch, punch. Once you've punched out enough, just begin by sticking them onto your wall. You can literally create as much space between each dot as you like. It's as simple as that, and all these materials can literally be found online or at your local craft store. It is such an inexpensive DIY to do, and it looks so cute. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this wall. All you're going to need is a few different colored washi tapes. Now, I personally like really bright colors like orange, blue, pink. You'll also need some scissors, and that's pretty much it. So now what we're going to do is just cut the tape into little squares. It could be rectangles, whatever you want it to be, and then simply just add them to whatever wall you want. Just add as much or as little as your little heart desires, and look at that. We have a cute sprinkle-like wall. Oh my god. Okay, so who's ready for some ice cream? Doesn't that make you want some? Okay, moving on. This is going to be a moon bulletin board. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So first of all, you're going to need some corks, which I was able to find a bunch on Amazon, and they were all super affordable. Then you're going to need 2 embroidery hoops of different sizes. You'll also need some paint and paint brushes. I used acrylic paint and I had them laying around, and a little foam brush as well. So you'll lay out your paints, decide what colors you want. I went with some black, some white, and some blue. Then you're going to start filling the inside with corks like this. Add ones with paint on them and ones without, just to spice it up a bit. It's however you want it to look, and to make sure they all stick together, just use a hot glue gun. And then it is time to hang it on the wall. And also look at how cute it looks next to our sprinkled wall and our golden polka dot wall. So cute. I really love pom-poms, and we're gonna make a pom-pom rug. So all you're gonna need is a rug gripper pad, which you can find on Amazon. You also need some scissors, some pom-poms of course, and a hot glue gun. So you're just going to lay out the mat for the rug and cut it into your desired shape and size. Begin gluing pom-poms into the mat until the mat is fully covered. Now this is kind of the tedious part, but can also be super therapeutic as well, because you're just in the moment, you're creating a fun DIY for your room, and just doing the same motion over and over can be a little bit relaxing. So just keep going, and bam, you got a pom rug. See, that wasn't so hard, and now we have a nice colorful rug that even Jupiter loves. Check it out. It's so cozy, it's so comfy, and it's like kind of bouncy and cute. I love it. You guys have probably seen this in some of my videos, so I thought, why not share this DIY with you guys, and that way we can have matching room decor. This is usually the background, like the backdrop to my videos, and I have to credit my sister Angelica for doing this for me. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to do it as well. So you're going to need some tissue paper, okay, some rope, scissors, and a hot glue gun. You're going to start with tissue paper of whatever color you want. I like to go for the pastel colors because they're just really nice and soothing to the eyes. And to begin, just fold it in half like so, and make these little slits for the fringe. You're going to begin by rolling tightly down the middle crease. Continue rolling, folding in half, and then twisting to create a loop for hanging. Once you have enough tissue paper, put rope or cord on it, whatever you want to use for hanging the loops, and then there you go. You have a tissue paper tassel garland. Now that is a little bit of a mouthful. Just hang it up with some command strips and you're all done. I also added some fairy lights because who doesn't love fairy lights, right? They just make everything look 10 times better. I love this one. So we're going to be making a cloud light. So all we're going to need is some stuffing, empty water bottles, a box cutter, some wire, a hot glue gun, and some fairy lights. So starting with the water bottle, we're cutting a horizontal slit right through it, and we're going to be stuffing it with some fairy lights. Then we're going to take our stuffing and begin gluing it to the water bottle. Keep adding stuffing until you have your desired cloud look. Now I just wanted to try another look with the fairy lights hanging out of the cloud. So you could do the same thing, except making a slit on both ends of the water bottle and then let the lights hang out. Once again, cover the water bottle with stuffing until you get the desired look. Now it is time to hang it up. Just put some string, hot glue gun it to the ends of the water bottle, and look, we have some clouds in our room. I love this one. For this next DIY, we're gonna need some yarn, cornstarch, a mixing bowl, some balloons, some water, some glue, some scissors, and some sort of rod. So in the bowl, we're gonna be mixing about half the bottle of glue, 1/4 of a cup of water, and 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch. So once we have mixed all that up together and that is ready, we're gonna have to blow up a balloon and take some matching yarn and tie it around the balloon. Next, you're gonna cut the yarn and dip it in the glue mix and then wrap the yarn around the balloon, then tie it at the end. Now this is like a little experiment. You're gonna hang the balloon for whatever rod you're using and have to wait 24 hours before it is ready. But once the 24 hours have passed, it is so worth it. You're gonna pop the balloon and you'll be left with some really cute yarn chandeliers to hang from the ceiling. This next DIY is quite simple and cute. You're gonna need some sort of stick, literally even if you just have a tree branch from outside and work with it. But if you're wondering where I got this stick, I got it from Michael's. You'll also need some clothespins, some Polaroids, or it could just be pictures you could literally print out from your printer. So all you're gonna do is simply tie the yarn around your stick and leave some hanging so that you can pin your pictures to the yarn. It's that simple, you guys, and look how cute it looks. So now you just have a nice way to showcase all of your favorite memories. Also, just anything that you want to hang from the ceiling or wall, I recommend using some command strip hooks because it's super easy to remove and it doesn't damage the wall, so I bet your parents will thank me for that one. Now, as you can see for this next DIY, you'll also need a similar stick and also some command hooks to stick it to the wall. You'll tie a string around the stick and leave some string hanging so you can hot glue gun the pom-poms down the string and do that over and over until the stick is covered, and there you go. Again, super cute. I've been really obsessed with pom-poms, and this might just actually be the next thing you see behind my sit-down intro videos, so check it out. And for our final DIY, we are attempting a slime rug. Yep, you heard that right. You guys know me, I'm a little bit weird. I actually created a slime pillow a long time ago, and that was such an amazing DIY. I actually like sleeping with it. I know, I'm a little strange, but hey, today we're gonna attempt this next one. I'll be using washable all-purpose glue, shaving cream, contact solution, baking soda, food coloring, and a clear pillowcase, which you will see in a moment. So in a mixing bowl, mix in shaving cream, Elmer's glue, baking soda, and contact solution. I'm also gonna link other slime videos that I've done in the past to assist you with this, and then mix it all up together until it is no longer a liquid. If it's not getting into a slime texture, then just add more contact solution. By the way, comment below what is your favorite type of slime. Once you have the slime made, split it into a few bowls and add food coloring of your choice. I wanted to make like a little rainbow look-alike pillow, so grab the clear pillowcase cover and fill it with the slime you made. And of course, feel free to add any pattern and get as creative with the colors of your choice, and then bam, just enjoy it. And then there you go, you have your fun slime pillow to enjoy. It's a little bit weird, but hey, as we know, we live weird or die normal. I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Gianna for being this week's outie shout out. If you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to this channel and be here in the first 30 minutes that every video goes live. If you do those two things, comment below #notification_squad and it might just be you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you decide to try any of these, please tag me so I can see them. I'm gonna be liking all your pictures. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with and see if you add your own little spin to them. Of course, let me know what other DIY videos you'd like to see by commenting down below in the comments. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that little bell to turn on notifications if you want to be notified of when I post new videos. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Bye, love you.